Well, this is a good start to my shift. Saturday, 12 o'clock start, car in 11:45, no problem. Hook onto a Hawthorns trailer and get myself up to East Kilbride. So I hook onto the Hawthorns trailer, and as I pull out the yard, literally through security gates, massive hissing noise out the back brakes. The air, it wasn't holding the air. I phoned them up, I went, I'm going to run it up the roundabout, see if it settles. If it doesn't, I'm bringing it back in, which is what I've had to do. It's knacked, totally knackered. So I've had to dump it on the bay, and the guys are now unloading it and loading another trailer next to it, and then I can be on my way once I'm hooked on and done the checks again. I went in the office, I said that is an absolute wreck, that trailer, like lost half a ton of bloody rust when I hooked onto the back of it. So I've just got me check sheets to do. I can't do half of it, I can do, because it's the unit which I've already checked. And then I'm on my way to East Kilbride. Excuse me. It's 1:25. I have to just do a one hit straight up there. No break, get on there. It's going to be 2 hours late, but sometimes these things happen, nothing to do with me. I literally got to this roundabout that you've just seen there. I'm like, no way on earth am I going anywhere with that. Spun around, back in the yard. Hey ho, as they say, eh? A69. M6, M74, East Kilbride. And then a Bartlett's probably for a trailer swap. Although he might send me straight back down the road, I don't know. It just literally depends on what time I get done at East Kilbride. We shall see. Well, I'm here, it's 5:10, and the sender's on Bay 72, the security. I've just got a feeling it's going to be, sorry mate, you need to be in the 90s. Hooma, Hooma. Who are ya? Let's get the doors. Yeah, I've just double checked because this side is chilled in the AM +3, but what I'm carrying is apples, fruit, which is produce because you produce it. It's not chopped up and diced and put in plastic boxes. So I'm moving, like I said I would be. Told him that the guy didn't listen. It's 73, moving 72 I think I'm at now. Now moving down to 94. I want to give the guy a bit of a look if I can. I do. Sorry. Off to Bartlett's. So the plan hasn't changed, which is good. I was expecting it to. Aye, I thought you need a look, it's empty. Tried to be a smart ass there because he was wrong about the friggin' produce. Again. Well, that's me in Bartlett's again. There's a couple of guys there, but nothing to do with me. So I'm just gonna go and drop a trailer somewhere. There, and then look for one belonging to us switched on. Much room to play with, though. Just pumping the air in. Everything drops, including your seat when there's no air in the trailer. So a little bit of rev for a bit. Level the trailer off. That's it. And now I'm going to drive up to the gate. The guy's going to come out and check the +3 and the +8 temperatures, because now Bartlett's do ready mash. I will be looking out for them. That's for sure. It was already set on 8.
Usually is, just sometimes it is.
Okay, but yeah. Thanks very much, mate. Take care. Have a quiet one. Looks like Harry Hill. Home with bound. 11 PM. I'll be back. I don't need a break. I can get straight down the road. It's very strategic with my brakes today. Squeeze around. I'm certainly not going down country roads tonight. I've done it to show you. I'm not doing it tonight. I know there's one of my subscribers is local to here. Hello! He gets it. Newcastle. Hallelujah. 2 days off. So my weekend starts the minute I get in the house. I've got 2 days off. Sunday and Monday. And then I'm in Tuesday to Friday. Taking the full weekend off next week. Merci beaucoup. Allez tout droit. It's funny out there. Ready for a bit of chill. Although I am down here tomorrow, quayside tomorrow night. Oh yeah. I like a bit of quayside in the town, like. See you later, folks.